Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about the importance of being yourself online. So this is a very important topic because many people won't consider this, especially when they're beginning. So I just wanted to thought of covering in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please do hit that subscribe button, and if you are serious enough to get started with your online business, be sure to check the first link in description. That is what actually helped me, got me started with my online business. I am sure it does the same for you. Be sure to check it out. And coming back to today's topic, once you start online, you have a different character. Like everybody has a different character. Some people are extroverts, some people are introverts. So some people, they don't want to talk basically, and some people like to talk a lot more. And once you come online, once you see your competitors, because internet is now online marketing, there are too many people doing it. Still it is 1%. There are a lot of people not doing it. So the people who are already achieved a lot of success in their online business, once you see them, you see them jumping all around, they're talking with energy, and they create this crazy studio setup and all that stuff. Once you see that, I will not be able to talk like this, I will not be able to do the crazy setup like this, and I may not be able to. You start judging yourself from that point of time. And what it does is, in your mind, I cannot do this thing, you start repeating yourself, and all of a sudden you stop doing what what actually you want to get started, or you will stop doing after a certain period of time. So don't look at the other guys who are already doing, or at least you can go ahead and check them out, but you don't want to copy them basically. So what I meant by copy is I started my journey first, I used to watch Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels. He's amazing guy. You still go ahead and watch his videos. He talks with so much energy, passion, and you get those vibes once he talks on his videos, on his content. And if my personality is, maybe I talk I cannot talk like him, because that is not my personality. I'm not saying you don't want to do that, but if you try to be somebody online, once while you start creating content, what it does is it starts, it is a fake character right now. If you're trying to copy somebody, and if you're trying to be show differently on the content creation online, so you start gathering all the people, they like that fake character. And once you gather a large audience, and once they start seeing you you're not the person what they thought online, it's gonna break that trust. And trust is very important factor in online business, so you don't want to lose out on that. For example, or else, instead of doing that, you being yourself, you started documenting your journey as you are, being yourself. It could be you cannot talk frequent English, fluent English, that's okay. Just start talking, being yourself. Don't try to be somebody. Being yourself, what it does is it will start attracting people who like who you are. As long as you're providing value, it doesn't matter how you speak. Because it gets better by time. It's not going to happen overnight, because you're not going to be the expert in one day, because it's going to take some time. You will eventually get better in whatever step you're doing. But being yourself is very important in online business, because because people nowadays can smell BS 1 kilometer away. If you're trying to be someone, and you may not be you may not be that excited or energetic guy right now, but still you being yourself, eventually it gets better. And being yourself, what happens is, as I told, you will attract the right set of people, the quality views, quality audience you get around you. It becomes much easier to work with them, because that's this topic most people don't talk, but it's very important that you being yourself online is very important. And so this is a simple video I just thought of shooting, because even if you come and meet me in person, so I'm the same guy who is talking right now like this. I don't like those crazy setups. I don't know, I just talk whatever comes in my mind, the way I'm talking. Even if you meet me in person, I'll be the same person. So this is my point, being authentic is very important online, no matter how bad you are or how good you are. Like, be yourself and go crush it, guys. I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you are looking to get started with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. And if you are enjoying my content, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to connect with me personally, you can always email me. I'll leave my email address in the description, and we will see how we can take it further. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. That's it for today. Bye.